Hey everybody, so today I'd like to do a review on my TROY-BILT snowblower. I just bought this not long ago at Home Depot, and I think I paid, I want to say $7.99 for it, right around there. I did do some reviews on it before I made this purchase. Most of the reviews were very favorable, so that's kind of what prompted me to buy this one. It's called the Storm 2665 by TROY-BILT. It's 26 stands for the width that it will cut into the snow, the clearing width. 665 would be 6.5 horsepower engine. That's where you get the 2665. It does have a manual chute, directional chute for the snow. Start the engine, turn it on the throttle a little bit. Apparently they say to prime it 3 times, and here's your choke. Very aggressive knobby tires. Looks like they should go through the snow quite well. It's got an adjustable deck, if you will. Say if you have a gravel driveway, you don't want to pick up the gravel. It just keeps it off the ground a little bit. Looks like it's got about a 2-inch adjustment height on it. Here's a small, I don't know, clearing stick, if you will, in case the chute gets clogged. Avoid any accidents. Looks like a fairly aggressive auger. What I like about it also is there is a small storage, very simple but small storage area for your shear pins, which commonly break, especially if the snow is heavy and slushy. It's got 6 forward speeds, 2 reverse speeds. 6 is probably way too fast, but nice to have the option. Everything's explained right on the, if you want to call it a dashboard, all the instructions. Manual height direction, I guess you'd call it. Chute height, angle of the snow. It's a relatively basic snowblower. It's all I need. Should do the trick just fine. I don't know how many gallons it is, but it looks like a fairly generous gas tank they gave me. So this machine has not been warmed up yet. I haven't started it. I'm going to go through the starting procedures and see how easily it starts for you. See how many pulls it takes. Probably should have left the choke on a little longer. quite well. It's a light machine. Can whip it around pretty easily. So yeah, I'm looking forward to, we're actually supposed to be getting snow in the next couple of days, 6 to 9 inches, so. Well, thanks for watching, and look for my follow-up review.